What's the difference between impact and non-impact carbs? Impact carbs are carbohydrates that have a high impact on your blood sugar level. They are also known as high glycemic or high GI for short, GI standing for glycemic index, and these are rapidly digested, quickly elevating blood glucose levels. So unless they are immediately used for physical exercise, the excess carbs will often be stored as fat, which is driven by the body's hormonal response. Refined carbohydrates and sweet foods are naturally high GI. Avoid high impact carbs unless you want to drop out of ketosis. Now, non-impact carbohydrates are low GI or low on the glycemic index, and they digest at a much slower rate. And this avoids hormonal or insulin spikes and provides much more sustained energy levels. Vegetables, for example, are packed with fiber, and they naturally take longer to digest, so it makes them slower on the GI scale and much better for you. Most of your carbs on a keto diet should come from non-impact carbs.